We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the HAPPYBAG Cute Silicone Nightlight for Kids, Dimmable Nursery Pear Lamp, and Kawaii Room Decor Fruit Nightlight, Bedside Lamp for Baby and Toddler. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The HAPPYBAG Cute Silicone Nightlight stands out immediately due to its whimsical and charming pear-shaped design. Crafted from food-grade BPA-free silicone, the lamp is soft, squishy, and pinchable, making it not only a light source, but also a tactile, stress-relieving object. The silicone material ensures safety for all ages, including babies and toddlers, and its durability means that accidental drops or squeezes will not damage the lamp. This is a major plus for families with young children who might be prone to handling their nightlights roughly. One of the most praised features is the lamp's rechargeable battery system. The inclusion of a USB charging cable means there is no need to purchase disposable batteries, which is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. The built-in 1200 mAh battery provides approximately 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge, making it suitable for overnight use or as a portable light for camping, emergencies, or even as a flashlight during power outages. The cordless design further enhances its portability, allowing it to be moved from room to room with ease. The nightlight offers a touch-based control system that is intuitive and easy to use. Users can tap the body of the pear to switch between 7 different color settings, creating a customizable ambience for any room. The lamp also features dimmable brightness levels, which is ideal for creating the perfect atmosphere for sleeping, reading, or simply relaxing. The ability to adjust the brightness and color with a simple touch is especially appreciated by parents who want to quickly set the mood for bedtime or nighttime feedings without fumbling for switches in the dark. Another standout feature is the built-in timer function. With options for 30, 60, or 90 minutes, users can set the lamp to automatically turn off after a set period, conserving battery life and providing peace of mind for those who may fall asleep with the light on. This function is particularly useful for children who need a light to fall asleep but do not require it throughout the entire night. The timer is easily accessible via a button on the base, ensuring that even young users can operate it without difficulty. The HAPPYBAG Nightlight is more than just a functional device, it is also a delightful decorative piece. Its kawaii, or cute aesthetic, makes it a popular choice for nurseries, children's bedrooms, and even as a quirky addition to home offices or living spaces. Many users report that simply looking at the lamp brings a smile to their face, and its playful design, complete with pear-shaped feet that allow it to wobble gently, adds a touch of joy to any environment. The lamp's compact dimensions, 8.2 inches in diameter, 3.6 inches wide, and 2.3 inches high, make it easy to place on nightstands, desks, or shelves without taking up excessive space. Performance-wise, the lamp receives high marks for its consistent and reliable operation. The LED light source is energy efficient, producing a soft, soothing glow that is gentle on the eyes. The color changing feature is smooth, with each hue distinct and vibrant, allowing users to match the light to their mood or decor. The lamp's high efficiency and low wattage ensure that it remains cool to the touch, further enhancing its safety profile for use around children. Usability is another area where the HAPPYBAG Nightlight excels. The touch controls are responsive, and the lamp's lightweight construction, just under 5 ounces, makes it easy for even young children to carry and operate. The lamp is also waterproof, adding an extra layer of durability and making it suitable for use in a variety of settings, including bathrooms or outdoor areas. The freestanding design requires no installation, and the lamp is ready to use straight out of the box, complete with a pre-installed lithium-ion battery. Customer feedback consistently highlights the lamp's appeal as both a nightlight and a decorative accessory. Many parents note that their children are captivated by the lamp's cute appearance and enjoy interacting with it by tapping to change colors or setting the timer before bed. The lamp is frequently given as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, and recipients of all ages express delight at its unique design and practical features. Users also appreciate the lamp's quick charging time and the convenience of not having to replace batteries. However, there are a few points of constructive criticism that potential buyers should consider. Some users mention that the lamp is priced higher than similar products on the market, although many feel that the quality and design justify the cost, especially when purchased during sales or promotions. A A few reviewers would like to see an even longer battery life for extended use, particularly for overnight lighting. Additionally, while the lamp is generally robust, some users express a desire for more advanced control options, such as remote operation or app integration, which are not currently available with this model. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overwhelming consensus is that the HAPPYBAG Cute Silicone Nightlight offers exceptional value and enjoyment. Its combination of safety, functionality, and delightful design makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and charming nightlight. The lamp's versatility allows it to serve multiple purposes, from providing gentle illumination for nighttime feedings or reading, to acting as a comforting presence for children who are afraid of the dark, to serving as a whimsical decor piece that brightens up any room. The lamp's suitability for a wide age range from toddlers to adults further enhances its appeal. Parents appreciate the peace of mind that comes with using a safe, non-toxic product around their children, while older users enjoy the lamp's playful design and customizable lighting options. The lamp's portability and rechargeable battery make it a practical choice for travel, sleepovers, or outdoor activities, and its waterproof construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. In summary, the HAPPYBAG Cute Silicone Nightlight for Kids, Dimmable Nursery Pear Lamp, and Kawaii Room Decor. Fruit Nightlight. Bedside Lamp for Baby and Toddler is a product that combines form and function in an appealing and effective way. Its soft, squishy silicone construction, intuitive touch controls, adjustable brightness and color settings, and built-in timer make it a user-friendly and versatile addition to any home. The lamp's adorable design and cheerful presence have won the hearts of users across the internet, with many describing it as the cutest nightlight they have ever owned. If you are looking for a nightlight that is safe, portable, and fun, the HAPPYBAG lamp is an excellent choice. Its thoughtful features, durable construction, and joyful design make it a standout in the crowded market of nightlights and nursery lamps. Whether you are shopping for your own child, a family member, or simply want to add a touch of kawaii charm to your space, this lamp is sure to delight. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable in guiding future buyers and supporting the channel.